Hi everyone and welcome back again today. So last video I have talked about format specifier and how to use printf method in Java. So today I'm going to talk about how to get user input in Java. Okay, so let's talk. I don't want it to. Okay, normally if we want to print any integer number, for example, I can declare a variable integer number equal to 10, just for example. So if I want to print it, what I have to do? Oh, previously I had to say this. You can just create this main method, public static void main pspm, and then tab. Okay, so the integer number, and then how we print it? So you take tab system.out.println. If I just press here only number, then if I run, it's okay. But just think, like a desktop application, there sometimes we fill form, okay, like login information. So is we used to take the we used to give our own password by us. That's like user input. So today, this is my major topics. That's I will try to focus how to get user input from user in Java. Okay, so let's integer number. I just declare it. So we have a built-in function in Java to take user to get user input, that is like a scanner. You can see the spelling. S will be the capital letter. Scanner input is equal to new scanner, and then bracket is the scanner function. System dot in. The S will be the capital letter. Mm. This is the built-in function in Java. Scanner already created. Scanner is the. So now they're showing is a errors. Okay, so how can we fix this error? We have to go there and click right, not right button, just only click add import java dot util scanner. It means like whenever you are going to use any built-in function from Java, so that time you have to import it first. Okay, so I just can click here, uh, only click, and then if I click it, okay, it's automatically import now. So now I have to write here, uh, how can I take the user input? So SOUT tab system.out.println. I will write something like enter the number. Enter the number. Okay, here. And then there I have to say something. What will be the number? Mm, number is equal to, oh, sorry, not plus, is equal to plus number, plus. Okay, so what will happen here? Enter the number and you have the year. No, I should not. Now let's try to. Okay, before run, I have to add this. Right. So number is our variable is equal to input. We will get the input. So input dot. Then we are using integer here. So next int. Next int and then jump is forward. So what will happen? So whenever we'll run this code, at first it will print enter the number, then we'll provide a number. The number it will be scanned by this input will be scanning, and then it will try to find if they got any integer, then they will print it as an integer. So let's run it. Enter the number. 10. Number is 10. So now another question is like, why is 10 input came in another line? So we are using here print ln. If we use just only print it, we can write in same line. Print. Now run again. Enter the number 10. Enter. Number is equal to 10. So what will happen again? I say whenever we are going to run it, at first it will be print the enter the number, and then whenever we will give the any number, that time it will scan this number. Is it integer or float? If it's integer, then it will come here and print it. Number is equal to number. So now I'm going to move to see how to get a string user. So before that, again I say how is the mechanism here. So at first it will print the system.out print, enter the number. Whenever we will give a number, it will take user input here. Next int. After is taken user input, this input variable, it will scan this input, and then if it's integer, it will store inside the number variables. Then when I will say that system.out.println number and plus number. When I told them after whenever it's already stored inside number, so when I want to just print the number, that time it will the print our input whatever we already given as the integer. So now for a string, so if we say string something, I just want to edit it as string name, not number here. Name, the out of Finland, enter the name. Name is equal to previously we used the input dot next in, but this time we have to use input dot. Wait, I'm showing you. Input dot will be the next line. Name is equal to dot next line, next line. Okay, next line. Then if I want to print here name, and here will be name is equal to I can say here welcome. That's welcome. I can say here it's welcome only. So now we say string, sorry, it's just a mistake. So now listen, this is my name. Okay, welcome, Razal Karim. I don't need to put here. So how here is mechanism? It's like whenever we are going to run it, it will print first, enter the name, then we enter our name, and then this input it will take this input, and then next line, and then input will scan this input, and then if he's find it as a string, then it will store inside the name variables that we use name. Then whenever will call it the name to print, then it will the print the name. Okay. So also uh, we can also use another here. Like whenever I will use the next only, what will happen? Next. Name. Okay. Whenever we are going to use next, it just will take only one word. It will not will not exit any word that is after a space. So it's better we have to use the next line. Welcome Razaul. That means it's only take this only word. So but if I use the next line, that is better. So I just show it just only for two data type, string and integer, and it's your duty to try to find the for float, short, boolean. Then if you cannot do it, just write in comment. I will try to upload new video to solve that. Whatever, just this is the major purpose was for me to how to use the scanner input. That means how to get input, and that's all. See you on other any other videos.